Hello and welcome back to another episode of Kids' Adventures. We are here in New York still, and we are here at the Edge. So, what I say is welcome to Kids' Adventures and welcome back to Kids' Big American Adventure Part 2. And as I said, we are here right in New York, right in the Big Apple, and we're currently standing on the building called the Edge. Unfortunately, it's a little bit cloudy, a little bit misty today, so the view isn't 100% great, but you can just about see things anyway. So, there you go, I'm going to let you guys see what I can see, and we'll go from there. Obviously, as you can see, it's very, very cloudy, very misty up here today. We can just about see. You can just about see, parts of the city. So, never know, guys. Maybe if I ever come back to New York, perhaps, we'll do it again and pick it on a clearer day. The only thing is, I'm flying back tonight, 10 o'clock flight from JFK, so it should land back in London Heathrow about 20 past 10 UK time, Tuesday morning. And we surely hope trains are running. I know there's a thing right there, but it does feel as if you could just fall straight down. It is very, very cloudy today, guys. Oh god, yeah, you can't see shit there. Oh no, there we go. See a little bit, tiny bit. Let's put the flash on. It's even misty up here, guys. Makes sense. God almighty. That's a long way down. It's amazing though, isn't it, this city? Yeah, you don't realise how big it is. Steaming up again, guys. It's not too bad though. I mean, you get moments of where it's clear, then steams up. Alright then, guys, I think that's probably going to have to do it. Right, remember to like, subscribe, do all that crazy shit, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bid you all adieu.
Everybody, if you're ready for the sub, we're setting another group. Let's come this way, wrap around, and get in the line.
The best place to be is on the main station.
Hi, my name is Molly, and I'm a tour guide here at the Intrepid Museum. You're about to explore the former USS Growler, a guided missile submarine that served during the Cold War. I'd like to share some background on Growler to prepare you for your visit and give you a better understanding of this submarine's significance. By the time I'm finished, you'll be ready to enter the submarine. Growler served with the U.S. Navy from 1958 through 1964 during the height of the Cold War between the United States and the Soviet Union. Growler represents an early effort by the Navy to use submarines as launch platforms for nuclear missiles. Growler carried 4 Regulus I cruise missiles. The Regulus I missile was essentially a radar-guided jet aircraft that carried a nuclear warhead. Each missile had a maximum range of 500 miles and was powerful enough to destroy an area as large as New York City. Growler was a key part of the United States nuclear deterrence strategy. The The United States believed that the threat of nuclear weapons lurking offshore would deter the Soviet Union from launching a strike against the United States. To accomplish this mission, Growler patrolled off the Soviet Union's Pacific coastline, staying hidden below the surface as much as possible. The crew stood ready for an order to fire the submarine's nuclear weapons at targets in the Soviet Union. To launch the missiles, Growler needed to be on the surface like it is right now. The missiles had to be unloaded and launched one by one. Growler's crew practiced launching the Regulus many times. Thankfully, they never received an order to launch an attack. Many crew members believed that if they launched a missile, they would be quickly discovered and destroyed by the enemy. They lived with this risk every day while on patrol. Growler's longest time on patrol was 72 days. 2 months at sea may not sound so difficult, but on a submarine, it's a different story. Growler's crew numbered from 90 to 100 men. They worked, slept, ate, and relaxed inside these close quarters. While on patrol, Growler stayed below the surface. The crew could not leave the submarine. They had no sunshine, no starlight, and very little fresh air. As you move through the submarine, imagine what life was like for these men, and keep in mind that every single one of them served on Growler voluntarily. As technology improved, newer, larger submarines with more sophisticated missiles made Growler obsolete. It was decommissioned in 1964 after 6 years of service. The Navy planned to use Growler as target practice for another submarine until it was rescued by the INTREPID Museum. In 1988, Congress turned control of Growler over to the museum, and it opened to the public a year later. Growler is now the only U.S. Navy missile submarine open to the public. It is remarkably intact from its Navy service and retains most of its original features. We ask for your help in preserving this historic vessel. Please do not touch anything inside the submarine and do not bring in food or drinks. You'll be entering momentarily. Staff inside the submarine will be happy to answer any questions you have. Feel free to take photos, but remember that there will be other groups coming in behind you. Thank you, and welcome aboard.
Enjoy, guys. Watch your step on the way down, okay?
Hello and welcome back to another episode of Kidney's Adventures. We are here in New York City and this is all a part of Kidney's big American adventure, part 2. And we are here at the
INTREPID Aircraft Museum in New York.
Because I just done the submarine experience, which was really good. But for now, we're going to explore the rest of the ship.
I did!
Wonder if they got Hangar 18 here. It's a Megadeth song for those that don't know. These out there, guys, these are beautiful machines and very skilled pilots. Yeah, I'm taking these. So to come in general is $40. You can either pay in advance or you can come over and just pay in cash at the box office. The submarine experience is free, it's all part of your ticket. The only thing separate you have to pay for is there's a little film you could watch, a little 3D film, so which we did, well, which I did on Friday. That was really good. It was space, you know, exploring space and you know, the mission to Mars and everything. Yeah, so there's other little add-ons you can do. You can also do the Concorde as well, which we did last time. So you'll see some pictures of that in this vlog. That'll be coming up at some point during the video. Remember guys, if you want to read any of this, you just have to pause. So we're gonna.
You can put it in your pocket of your pants.
Helmet kind of reminds me of what Luke Skywalker wore actually in Star Wars: A New Hope. You know, just as they destroyed the Death Star. Yeah, it's that one there I'm on about. It's pretty much the same sort of thing that he wore. It's very similar, if not.
Void inspection. There are void spaces on Intrepid. They're not occupied with staterooms or storage rooms or so forth, but they are spaces between the outer and
Castigado sustituirlo, sí, sí.
Take.
fast, but like there's too fast to outrun boats.
There we go, guys. Just the sheer size, the sheer size of this, of the Enterprise. Seriously, I mean, this video will not do it justice. The thing is massive.
इसके ऊपर ये हीट रेजिस्टेंट टाइल्स जब री एंट्री की होगी तो हीट उसमें से परपोरेटर बढ़ जाती है जो दोनों मिक्स इसके पहले पानी में डालते
Sì, και δεν είναι πολύ παλιό. Ναι, το 2005 και πριν 21 χρόνια. Πρόσφατο. Αυτή ήταν. Αυτό τι κάνουμε. Σέργεϊ, Τρανσέλερ. Ήταν ένας, αυτός είναι Ρώσος και δύο Αμερικάνοι. Τζον Ρίβς και Ρεγόσαν και οι δύο Αμερικάνοι και ένας...
Πάμε να δούμε και τα υπόλοιπα.
Αυτό τι είναι.
Είχα πιέσει και δεν θα δούμε.
Τρία, γιατί αυτό είχε τρεις σχέσεις. Πού το λες,
Want to get it? Yeah. Pass your card.
You want to buy it? So why you open it? You can't open it until you bought it. Ever.
Doesn't tell you how much it is. You probably can't afford it. There you go. Cheers, mate. It's insane, really. The beds, they literally just crammed them in like sardines. But then again, I mean, didn't really have a lot of choice, did they? Just see all that though, guys. I mean, literally all on top of each other. I'll tell you something, I mean, if I was sleeping and somebody was snoring like that, I'd be tempted on suffocating them and then maybe chucking them overboard. It should be legal. You're sleeping with somebody or in the same room with somebody that snores, it should be legal to suffocate them. I don't condone any violence. Not much. Jokes, guys, jokes.
Tiene buena cocina, ¿no?
These are the guys that know all about those stairs. Such a steep angle, they're a pain in the backside, to tell you that. Actually, as you guys saw, you know, when we went on that World War II ship back in San Francisco. Well, there we go. So that is where the food court is. Okay. go. Well, there we go, guys. That is now definitely it. There we go. I think that was a cool experience. That was worth coming back for, to do the submarine.
I'm sorry.
Put you on the buttons any day.
shutting down. Everyone's gathered round, heading to the fairgrounds to see us a show. Got an AM country station blaring out a tune on the radio. Floats in street parades, waving beauty queens. Local folks raising Cain and the beer's ice cold. Everyone's shaking hands, saying hello to everyone they know. Yeah, the smell of charcoal, cooking up burgers and dogs. That's America. It's a fireworks stand on the 4th of July. Bottle rockets pop. get you high and the sun's going down. Sparklers lighting up every cornfield all around. Yeah, we stand and salute all those who served, who paid that price once who gave their life. It's a fireworks stand on the 4th of July. Bottle rockets popping, lighting up the sky. Got old glory flying way up high. America, that's America. It's a red, white, and blue flag painted on the barn. Lawn chairs and bonfires out in the yard. Under the stars is where we give our thanks today. Down in small town, it's a fireworks stand on the 4th of July. Bottle rockets popping, lighting up the sky. Got old glory flying way up high. America, that's America. It's a red, white, and blue flag painted on the barn. Lawn chairs and bonfires out in the yard. Under the stars is where we give our thanks today. Down small town USA. Down small town USA. Down small town USA.
Check out Kidney's Adventures, like and subscribe. Do it now, motherfucker.